pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
I made $250,000, and I'm not claiming I'm worth it. People have got to know their presidents are crooks. I earned everything I've got.
Welcome to the government. Make them focus. Live but just feeling. Hocus pocus. All broken morality seems been all you take from us. For the people you would send, but now you're stepping all that's just in. Something stinks. You're no better than me. Something stinks. Whoever set you free. You need a cage, can't masquerade. My eyes are open to reality. You're just a bad monkey, so step up to the task. Prove yourself, stop hiding behind your mask. Show the real you. Bad monkey, you're no better than me. Bad monkey, whoever set you free. You're just a bad monkey.
So I hear the voices, and I read the front page, and I know the speculation, but I'm the decider, and I decide what's best. You said we're headed for war in Iraq. I don't know why you say that. I hope we're not headed to war in Iraq. I know that human being and fish can coexist peacefully.
You can rattle your cage, not caring much.
In my line of work, you gotta keep repeating things over and over and over again.
Already fed you with sorted fruit, bananas inside.
For the truth to sink in, catapult.
Can't stand no shit no more, so I get in. But your shit fills up so fast, even you got your face screwed up. Bad monkey, you're no better than me. Bad monkey, whoever set you